Hey guys, it's Angie again. Hi. We're gonna make my version of stir-fry pork with noodles. Okay, I got my sea salt. I got 2 packages from the restaurant of some soy sauce. I got some black pepper, some Oriental 5 spices. I have a bag of stir-fry broccoli for like $1.40 something from Aldi's. I have some country style pork ribs. Did I get these at Aldi's too? I think I bought these at Aldi's too. They were $3.54. I don't know where I bought them at. And I have 2 packs of ramen noodles. I'm going to take the chicken seasoning out. I'm just going to use the noodles. I have some sweet and sour Asian sauce, which I also got from Aldi's, which I will be putting on last. And I will be cooking it with extra virgin oil mixed with the 2 packs of soy sauce. Okay, guys. Here we go. Hey guys. Okay. I'm going to put in, like I said, I don't measure anything. I'm going to fill the bottom. Ooh, is it hot? It's hot. I'm going to fill the bottom with some oil, some olive, some OVO. There we go. Not the entire bottom, maybe the half the bottom. Yeah. Maybe 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to add scissors, my soy sauce with my oil. Ooh, look at that. Maybe I shouldn't have added my soy sauce with my oil. Now my camera's going to be all oily. Okay, bad mistake. See? Okay, I need to start that over. Now that I've added my oil, I'm going to add my meat. I'm going to put my wok on sear, because I want to sear the meat. You can cut yours up smaller if you like. I didn't cut them up really small. But it's okay. Deep chunks of pork here. Okay. Now it's a good time to add your seasonings to the meat. So I have 2 packs of soy sauce, which I will pour over the meat. I'm trying to lose weight, so I don't want a whole lot of salt, but gotta have some kind of flavor. Okay, another pack. Okay, move it around a little. Oh, look at that. Give a little color to the meat. Now, I'm going to add my other seasonings. I'm going to add my salt. You add as much as you need for your flavoring. It's about a half a teaspoon. Then I'm going to add my Oriental 5 spice. Generously over the meat. And make sure I cover every piece. Okay. And now I'm going to add my black pepper. It's only about, I'm going to have to open another one. Maybe a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Oh, they look so good. Ooh, and it smells so good. Those 5 spices, oh my goodness. I know my bottom shouldn't be anything stuck to my bottom, but it kind of messed up. But that's okay. I put the soy sauce in there. It made things stick to the bottom, but otherwise, it's okay. Okay. Move those around to the brown. They're not quite all the way done. If you want them to, in a pan, I have my noodles cooking. I'm going to put them in some cold water. I almost overcooked them. They're okay. Here are my noodles. They're a little overcooked, but they'll be alright. I'm not a noodle person. Okay. That's brown enough. Now I'm going to add my broccoli stir fry. I know it's supposed to come out of the bag, but I like to rinse mine a little to take off that little frozen part, little ice thing on it. You buy it at the store. Now, guys, I'm going to add the sweet and sour. Now, guys, I'm going to add the sweet and sour.